Hello kids, welcome to another video. Today we will learn ABC and 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start some colors name. Red color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, pink color. Let's start. Orange color, A for ant, sky blue color. B for bat, red color. C for crow, brown color. One, pink color. Two, yellow color. Three. Let's again. ABC, 1, 2 and 3. Orange color. 1, violet color. 2, blue color. 3, red color. 4, black color. 5, green color. 6, pink color. 7, sky blue color. 8, brown color. 9, yellow color. 10, black color. 11, red color. 12, blue color. 13, violet color. 14, orange color. 15, brown color. 16, pink color. 17, sky blue color. 18, green color. 19, yellow color. 20. Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20.
Brown color. A for art. Pink color. B for burger. Light green color. C for cucumber. Mint color. D for dates. Yellow color. E for egg. Black color. F for finger. Blue color. G for garden. Red color. H for housewife. Sky blue color. I for England. I for island. violet color. J for jar. Orange color. K for king. Green color. L for lotus. Brown color. M for mango. Pink color. N for Nick. Light green color. O for olive. Mint color. P for pigeon. Yellow color. Q for Quran. Black color. R for rat. Blue color. S for Sunday. Red color. T for teacher. Sky blue color. U for under. Violet color. V for van. Orange color. W for water. Green color. X for Christmas tree. Brown color. Y for yard. Pink color. Z for zebra. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.